I smiled in every selfie, but I was slowly disappearing. That night, I posted a photo. Everyone said you look so happy. 5 minutes later, I was crying on the floor. I wasn't okay. I was addicted to a life that didn't even exist. I walked to the mirror, and there, I didn't recognize the person in the reflection. I saw tired eyes, a disconnected feeling, an emptiness that I couldn't fill. Then, I found my old journal. A page was boldly marked with the words, "I want to live a real life, with genuine moments, with genuine people." And I remembered the moments when I used to be the person who wrote those words. That night, I made the difficult decision to delete everything. Everything. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everything. Not because I was angry, but because I wanted peace. I started again, slowly and surely, with the silence of the night and the warm glow of the sunlight. I began cleaning my home with love. I lit some candles, bought some fresh flowers, while doing laundry or preparing food. I listened to some English podcasts just to grow and heal, just to feel alive again. I spoke to my sister. We met for tea with my neighbor. I watched the sky without any filters, and for the first time in years, I felt free. Social media isn't the evil it may seem, but if it is taking away your peace, you have the right to pause and breathe, to return home to yourself. You are not missing out on anything. You are coming back to life.